Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Albertus Ridho Aryadi, NPM 224-11061, and my class MNG 22A. This is video. My discuss is selection and placement of workforce. Understanding labor selection. The process of selection and placing workers is a forecasting process. Job candidates are assessed to what extent they have the recruit personal characteristic, to what extent they meet the recruitment determined by the company. The target of selection is a recommendation or a decision to accept or reject a candidate for a particular job based on an assumption about the candidate possibility of becoming a successful worker in his or her job. The task of selection is to assess as many candidates as possible to select on or a number of people who will meet the specific recruitment. Placement objectives are a recommendation or decision to distribute a prototype works to different jobs based on an assumption about the possibility of prospect works to success in each different job. The job of placement is to assess job candidates and match their qualifier to the placement recruitment of that job. Work selection and placement process. Environmental system input application or employees. Binary component of the system or system 2 process selection and placement. System or subsystem 2 output input qualifier words. Individual differences. With individual there are various kinds of job. The request differs knowledge and skill, ranging from simple knowledge and skill to knowledge and skill recruiting, specialist education and training. Discussing human characteristic or characteristic can be age, physical traits, personality characteristic, mental characteristic such as intelligence, creative and so on. Problem of individual difference is often relative to difference between gender, between culture, between education and so on, which in that person has personal characteristics which are requirements that must be met for a job. Selection strategy. Seek forecasting or selection strategy. Data collection, data process, clinical and mechanical, profile interpretation, statistical murni, clinical, pure clinical, performance appreciation, mechanical and clinical association, mechanical combined. Mechanical data collection is when data is collected by and predetermines guidelines, regulation, and procedure. Number 2, clinical data collection is when data is collected in a flexible way, which means the type of data collects from someone is different from data collected from other people. Number 3, mechanical data processing is carried out in accordance with regulation or statistical calculation developed in previous research. 4. Number 4, clinical data processing is carried out by an expert measure of psychologists who believe they can pay more attention to and at least the entire candidate's behavior pattern is the context of job demand. Profile intervention is the collected mechanical and process clinical. Number 6, pure statistic is that collected and processed mechanical. Number 2, pure clinical is that collected and processed clinical. Number 8, behavior evaluation and data collection is carried out clinical while processing is carried out mechanical. Number 9, clinical combination when data collection is carried out mechanical and clinical while the processing is clinical. Number 10, mechanical combination is that collected mechanical and clinical while that process is carried out mechanical. The role of psychologists, test and interview in the workforce selection process. 1. State of recruitment. In the recruitment process, there are two stages, namely search for job candidate. The more process works there are, the greater the possible of getting work who meet the special recruitment. B. Selection of job candidate. The work selection process is outlined as follows. Selection of application letter, initial interview, exam, psycho test interview, final assessment, final notice and interview assistance. Number 2, contribution of test and interview in decision making. The decision making process to access or reject a property work is based on the result of a selection stage. The result of psychology evaluation consisting of psychological test and interview can be determined statistical for the valid of selection result. Psychology evaluation assessment. The steps in psychology evaluation assessment are general as follows. 1. Job analysis. Study job analysis is a systematic study process of the activity carried out in a job, including tasks, responsibility, and accountability to be able to determine the knowledge, skill, abilities, and other personality traits needed to the job well. The purpose of using job analysis can be grouped into active, namely human as work includes strategic planning, recruitment and selection, training and development, career development, wage and salary, reward system, occupation, health and safety, industry relation, work and work organization include job description, job classification for design and tools, organization and planning. Thank you. This is video.